I got in trouble at school for smoking weed with a friend outside of the main entrance, and that's when I said, now it's time for me to say something, or else, I'm gonna get suspended from school. I spoke with the principal and the school resource officer, and I told them, I have an alcohol problem and I need help. So they said, you can get help, or you can get suspended, pay a fine for smoking on school grounds. What's your choice? And I chose to get help because I knew what I see the damage I've done to my family. The bridge of trust between me and my grandmother was burned down completely, and I realized the only way to fix it was to admit my wrongdoings, surrender my will, and just get help. Because the longer you keep it in, the more it's going to hurt you. And I kept this in for a very long time, and it took me a while to eventually just break out of that, break out of the cage and just finally say, I'm done, I need help, what do I do? Well, today I see a lot, whether it's in my neighborhood or at work. There's a lot of kids my age who, much younger than me, and that would do things that I used to do, whether it's getting into fights or just smoking weed in the hallways, and who are out, he's just drinking right on the street like it's nothing.